Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel. Well, before we dive into today's video, I just want to let you know that as of today, you are able to become a channel member, right? A number of you reach out to me asking about it, and if you become a member, it's $2.99 a month. And for that, you get a cool icon next to your name when you leave a comment. You get priority replies on comments, and you also get early access to new videos, right? So yeah, if you're interested in that, then just check out the join button below the video, right? Okay, on to today's video. So, a muffler. We're going to create a muffler for our automotive series, and for that, we're going to get rid of this guy. So, we're just going to go to object mode. We're going to hit X, click on it. There you go. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with a couple of rings that we need to make. So, we're going to go in here and pull that out, something like this. Then we're going to hit O for offset. Bring that into about there. Looks good to me. Then we're going to go to face mode. We're going to pull that up, and the approximate height is okay. And then we're going to go in and grab these guys, and we're going to round that over. Not crazy, something like this. All right. Now this is a part that we need later on, so I'm just going to hit H to hide it. And let's see, we don't need this anymore, so we can hide that as well. There you go. And then next is going to be the main body of the muffler. So for that, we're going to grab another circle, pull that out. Then we're going to go and hit S for scale, and we're going to move that in to about there. Looks good. We're going to rotate that. Pull that up to 270. There you go. And then what we're going to do is go in face mode, O for offset, do something like this. There you go. And then we're going to go and grab, let's see, we're going to grab this, and we're going to pull that out just slightly. And then we're going to go in here and grab, click on OK first, grab this, and pull it out like so. Getting something like that, right? Now we don't need to hold on to that circle, so get rid of that. We're going to go and grab this guy, and we're going to chamfer that a little bit to about there. Let's make sure this is one object. So we're going to hit QQ, click on OK. Then we're going to go and copy this guy. So we're going to hit Shift D to duplicate. Move that over here. Then we're going to rotate it, hit R, flip it around to 180. There you go. And then we're going to go in and loft this together, right? So we're going to go to this mode. Let me change the material so we can see everything a little bit better. Yeah. So we got that edge. We're going to select this edge, and we're going to hit L for loft, and that's a G1. We want a G0. There you go. Click on OK. Check in perspective mode. We'll get something looking like this, which is good. Then we're going to go and look for that ring that we hid, right? And we're going to go to object mode. Let's grab it, pull that out. R to rotate. Let's rotate that upwards. 270. All right. We want two of these, so we're going to go and hit G to move this, and that's going to be about there. Click on OK. Then we're going to hit Alt X to mirror that. So that's going to be the other one, and Just make sure we got this guy centered, because am I still in perspective mode? Oh, okay. Yeah, that looks good. All right, cool. Okay, so we're gonna go and position these right in here. So we're gonna G. We're gonna move that in. That looks to be good. Then we want to have a pipe coming out. So for that, what we're gonna do is jump into this view. We're gonna grab a new center circle. There you go. Then we're going to hit O for offset. Like this. Click on OK. All right, that guy looks okay. Then we're going to go in and create the second one. So we're going to go in here and we're going to create a new circle. That's going to start right there. And it's going to be a little bit bigger. Let's do this. And let's see, that should be all right. Then we're going to go and move that. So we're going to move it out here. Don't make it too long. And then we're going to rotate this a little bit to about there. That looks good. Then we're going to go and click on it. We're going to hit O for offset. Do something like this. Click on OK. And then what we're going to do is go into edge mode. Click on this guy and shift click on this guy and hit L for loft. And then we're going to go up here, click that one. Oop, forgot to click OK. Sorry, we did it again. Loft, click on OK. Then we're going to go in here and grab this guy and shift like this guy. Hit loft again. All right. Then we're going to go and hide these guys. And then we're going to go in here and click on these. Join them. And then we're going to go in here, click on loft. All right. So we got that coming out. That looks fine. We're going to go to object mode. We're going to click on it. We're going to, I think we can just mirror it. Why not? So let's hit Alt X. Let's mirror that over. That should be it. Yeah. Looks good. So we've got that section. Then we're going to go in here and we're going to borrow one of these. So Shift D to duplicate. We're going to move that over here. Let's flip that around, rotate 180. We'll put that in the center. So let me just move this. That looks all right. Then we're going to bring it in. Like so. Also looks good. Then what we're going to do is create a bend. So for that, we're going to use a straight line. And we're going to start here. And then we're going to go to here. That didn't work out. Let me try that again. I want to be on one flat plane, obviously. So let me try it from here. Oh, that works too. Why not? Okay, take our straight line. Pull that out. Go to, let's say here. Maybe a bit longer here. And then here. Let's check the position. Right, needs to come down a little bit. Right, cool. So we got that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and we're going to grab these. So this guy and this guy. Hit B. Round it over like so. Okay. Then we're going to hit P for pipe. And now it's a matter of figuring out the thickness, and I have no idea, so it's trial and error, right? So let's try 0.1. That's way too small. Let's try 5. That's too big. All right. 3, 2. 2 looks pretty close. Let me jump into perspective mode for a second here. So I think I just need to raise this guy up a little bit. Very nice. Okay, and then finally we're gonna borrow one of these rings again. This guy right here in object mode. Come on. And we're gonna Shift D to duplicate. We're gonna bring that over. Move that over. And like so. Let's have a closer look. Needs some adjustments. All right. And now let's open up this pipe here. So we're gonna grab it and let's click on OK first. We're gonna grab this pipe here. We're gonna go in and I need to select this face actually in order to do that. So we're gonna go in here. We're gonna go to hollow. I can now open that up. And now we have our muffler, right? So yeah, that's how I would approach it. I don't know if you have a different idea on it, but feel free to be creative. And yeah, if you got any request videos that are automotive related, let me know in the comments. And that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.